Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage style farmhouse decoration is all about creating a cozy, warm and timeless home that blends rustic charm with old world elegance. It mixes antique-inspired features with practical farmhouse comfort. Here are some simple tips to achieve a vintage farmhouse look in your home. Distress furniture yourself. Sand wooden furniture lightly and paint with chalk paint for a rustic, edged look. Even new pieces can be made to look vintage with this trick. Repurpose every item. Turn messengers into vases or storage containers. Use old crates as shelves or coffee tables. Layer textiles. Add cozy throws, crocheted cushions or patchwork quilts. Mix textures like linen, burlap and lace for a vintage vibe. Use rustic lighting, hang lanterns or adjacent bulb fixtures. Add table lamps with fabric shades for soft farmhouse warmth. Decorate walls creatively. Use shiplap or wood panels if possible. Hang old windows, mirrors or vintage-style signs as wall decor. Keep it cozy and lived in. Don't aim for perfection. Farmhouse style is about warmth and character. A slightly mismatched, collected over time feels authentic. Use soft lighting. Add candles and lanterns, messengers or vintage candle holders. Warm light bulbs make the space feel cozy and inviting. Add farmhouse-inspired signs, wooden boards with painted words like Gather, Farm Fresh or Home Sweet Home. You can DIY this with stencils and paint. Bring in vintage kitchenware. Old animal pictures, copper pans and cast iron skillets look beautiful as decor. Display them on open shelves or hang them on hooks. Display collections. Collect vintage teacups, glass bottles or antique jars and display them together. Grouping similar items makes a big impact. Vintage rugs and curtains. Use faded pattern rugs for a lived-in farmhouse feel. Light cotton or lace curtains let natural light in while keeping the cozy look. Keep a neutral base, add pops of vintage color. Stick with whites and creams. Then add small hints of shades green, dusty blue or mustard. These muted shades keep it vintage without overwhelming the space. Add touches of metal, galvanized bucket, iron candle stands, or tin trays. Bring rustic farmhouse vibes. Mix them with wood for balance. Layer mirrors and frames. Old mirrors with distressed edges add character. Empty vintage frames can be used as wall decor or layered on shelves. Make it personal. Use heirlooms or thrift store finds that tell a story. Farmhouse style shines when each piece feels meaningful. Decorate with baskets. Wicker or wire baskets can hold blankets, magazines, or even plants. Hang small baskets on the wall for unique storage. Add handmade touches, crochet dollies, embroidered pillows, or handmade table runners. Bring authenticity. Mix in patchwork quilts for coziness. Rustic shelving. Install reclaimed wood shelves with iron brackets. Style them with vintage books, jars, and small potted plants. Farmhouse table centerpieces. Use a long wooden tray filled with candles, pine cones, or seasonal fruit. Fresh or dried flowers in a mason jar always work. Incorporate chalkboards. A framed chalkboard in the kitchen or entryway adds farmhouse charm. You can write menus, codes, or grocery lists on it. Vintage clocks. Oversized wall clocks with Roman numerals add instant farmhouse character. Smaller antique clocks look great on mantels or shelves. Mix materials. Combine wood, metal, glass, and soft fabrics for balance. Display kitchen essentials. Instead of hiding everything, display rolling pins, cutting boards, and vintage jars. Open shelving works perfectly for this look. Add a cozy farmhouse entryway, a wooden bench with baskets underneath for shows, hooks for hats, bags, or rustic decor pieces. Blanket ladders. Lean a rustic wooden ladder against a wall to display quilts, throws, or crocheted blankets. Use milk glass and mason jars. Milk glass vases and mason jars make great flower holders or bathroom organizers. Antique trunks and suitcases. Stack them as side tables or use them for storage while adding vintage charm. Rustic wall hooks and peg rails used for hanging mugs, aprons, hats, and baskets. Great for kitchens and entryways. Galvanized buckets and tubs. Perfect for storing firewood, blankets, or even as planters. Farmhouse metal styling, layer mirrors, old frames, and candlesticks on the fireplace mantel. Add greenery or dried flowers for color. Vintage-inspired hardware, swap modern knobs and handles for antique brass or porcelain style. Instantly transforms cabinets and dressers. Layer rugs. Place a jute or seashell rug under a faded vintage pattern rug for extra farmhouse texture. Thanks for watching the video.